Yo, whoa, 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 whoa. You guys, this is so uncorrelated. It's gross. Yeah. Today will probably not be a long stream. I'm not feeling the greatest, and I'm watching my brother's dog, and he's a lot. But we're clearly bullish, so there's that. How'd everybody do today? Green, red. Um, Majed. Am I saying that right? Majed? What's good? Sorry if I'm not saying it right. I'm trying to do. Oh, ha! Fine. What up, Tino? Break even. What's good? I had to get rid of my watch the other day, and I'm trying to pick out another one. So sorry if I'm distracted. Dude, you guys, this dog. Bro, get down. This dog, he's literally trying to open the door. Like he's actually trying to open the door. Nothing today? No. We're mad uncorrelated right now. I don't like it. I think we're long on the sleep account. Finally just tapped into this 1 hour, I think is what it is. Wait, what did I draw? Bro, what did I draw? Holy. Must be a 4 hour. Daily? So we're in this daily gap. I'd honestly like to see if I could take this down to somewhere smaller. Get a smaller gap drawn so we can get a closer reference to maybe what might be holding price down. 703. I'm looking at this. We're hitting 859 today. You watch. Get it? Watch. Okay, sorry. Bro, chill. Do you guys want to see something funny? Hang on. I'm trying to figure out how I can do it without. What up, Jacob Beal? No, there's a new soccer legend in the house. Watch, I'll show you. Alright, check this out. This is my brother's dog. What's this? Dude. This fool was just dribbling my basketball up and down this road. Rose actually got the handles, dude. That's funny, huh? Let's go. Look at this DP. He's outrageous. Bro. Like. Come on. So we're kind of just ripping. But this will be the last thing that. Yeah. Jeez. I'm not ashamed to admit that dog would have taken my ankles. Dude, he has taken mine a few times. Mm. I'm literally terrified to short right now. I can't lie. It could be like A plus 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 plus, and I just don't know. This is just a lot of momentum up. I know we have good targets below, and overall, I do want to be bearish, but I'm scared. I mean, now that we've actually tapped into something, though, possibly. I'm gonna just go ahead and bring my Tradevate tab right on over here. Excuse me. Don't worry about that. Guys and gals, I don't know. Probably tape read this because I feel like fading the bias. Oh. Or I can get on my yeah, exactly. Like I'll paper it just to basically forward test, but yeah, I'm not brave enough to take this right now. Could work though. Break even spots like not till way down here. Oops. I don't think this works. To be honest, we're so bullish, it's crazy. I think this fails, but we'll see. Oh wait! I'm tripping, chat. This is where we should be. We'll just go for a quick 200. Easy, you know. We call these out on stream all the time. It wouldn't even surprise me if this hit. You guys might be shocked, but I wouldn't be at all. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, plus light bulb. Just a quick 24R. Imagine. Look at this. That's why you don't take the first. Yeah, for real. Average Tuesday calling out 196 points, bro. Normal. Although low key, we did have that one day chat. Does everyone remember that? When I almost cried because we dumped like 1,000 friggin' points from the, and I called it out from the very top. Oh, didn't take it. Pain. Pain. Now, hopefully, this inverse holds. So, just to actually talk about something, now that we got the inverse, we came down, put in this low, and tapped into this gap. If for some reason we come down and re-break this low, I'm going to go break even. Because if we come back down, break this low, you don't want to see it come back up again. I mean, it's just a paper trade, but I'm trying to explain how I would actually handle it if it was a real trade for you guys. So after we put in this little ITL, if we come back down and re-break this, you definitely don't want it to bounce back again. So, but I don't, like I said from the jump, this is probably doomed from the entry. Totally against the bias. We're not bearish by any means right now. As much as I want to be mentally, thinking about life events, world events, not life events, world events, economic events, and all this other stuff, I don't want to be bullish, but like you have to go by what the candles are telling you right in front of you, right? So if we're just pumping nonstop, what can you do? You got to go with the bias still, right? Even if this play ends up working, I already hate how it's just so uncomfortable, right? And I mean, this is not really a good play. This is You guys see this is not the greatest play, right? Look at all these gaps. Taking the 1 minute inverse right there was a little aggressive. I can't lie. But hey, forward testing is more fun than back testing in my opinion, so why not? Look at the 3 min. This one, I know. That's what I'm saying. Look at this. That was the dumbest play of all time. But hey, it seems to be holding for now. Till we get smoked. Oh, wait. Do we not stop out for this inception gap? We're about to get smoked, chat. This is why that's why you don't take the first one like this after pumping all day like this. We're about to get destroyed. Oops. This doesn't look good. Okay. There's the stop out. Listen, it was worth it for a 23R, right? Come on, chat. We'll take the loss on that. Could have easily dumped 200 points there. Come on. that was an ADHD trade. I can't lie. Also, the indices have not been correlated this morning until this actually. So until about here, the indices have not been very correlated today. So this is getting better. But yeah. Wait, where'd my long go? Oh wait, I'm on a different account. I think my long for the leap thing is still printing. Hey, we're still printing. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Guys, that candle was so pumptastic it made me cuss. Sorry about that. I try not to be a cusser on this channel. Sharon hasn't taken a trade in a while, though. Yeah. Jeez, you guys. I really feel like this could possibly rip and take out this high. This momentum's crazy. Like the fact we're still moving like this during lunchtime Poor Sharon. How's she gonna afford the rent? Because she's a mooch, bro. No, wait, here. When Sharon can't afford rent, her sister pays for it. She's right here. Seems more stable, yeah. I don't I don't know what the other chair's name is, but they're best friends. Amy cackling from the other room. I love it. Wait, I wonder if I can show you guys this dog over here snoozing. I think it's the first time I've ever seen him sleep. You guys see him? Bro's all huddled up against the wall. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They must be tired from annoying each other. Actually, Jackson's never been annoyed ever. All he knows is ball. Ball is life for that dog. Oops. Jeez. We were just ripping chat. This is a lot more correlated than it was. Damn. This is the first time I've ever seen any type of June price action or May price action, and I actually know what I'm looking at. Looks bullish. That's all I could say. Market has like no intention of going down right now. It's pretty crazy. Yet here I am drawing boxes to take shorts. What is wrong with me? Just out here trying to fade everything, chat. Oof, chat. I don't feel the greatest. Where'd my line go? Did not sleep well. Alright, chat. Here's what we're gonna do. Is that volume level okay versus the volume level of my voice? Did you bank on longs? I banked on paper longs, baby. How about that? Yep. It's ripping without me, bro. I don't care. Honestly, I genuinely thought about taking this, but I didn't. Oh well. Now up a bit more. Oh. Like that. How about that? This one. I like this one because it had delivery out of this 2-minute that I was holding for a while. Low key though, if we knife through this, I might be interested in that. No, not really. Not during lunch. Maybe at the macro, but not usually during in between. Two break even trades this week? Yeah, I'm break even too. I had a break even yesterday. That's it. The lo-fi is kind of a vibe, I can't lie. Oof. I don't know why I'm even drawing short tools on my chart, bro. We're like not bearish. And it's copyright free too, so I shouldn't have to worry about that. So like my streams shouldn't have their audio cut. Market volume profile? Nah. I haven't had volume profile on my chart since the 90s. No, I'm just playing. I don't know anything about it really. I mean, I understand it, but here's the thing. I already like found something that works really well for me, and so I don't want to start making my brain start seeing other setups that I don't need to be looking at. I just give myself too much to go on, bro. I'm chill with where I'm at. Like if it works great, I really hope that other people make money using it, but I'm not gonna bother changing up. I like where I'm at. I like the strategy I use. It makes sense to me. It helps me read the market very well, and I'm really good at recognizing what good setups look like, and so I'm not gonna bother trying to make myself take a different path at this point. I'm just gonna get as consistent as I can with the strategy I do use. No shade on any other strategy. That's where I'm at. Yeah. Last question. What do you recommend for a cam? Get the one that I got. It's sick. Check it out. It's got motion sensor. So if I move around, it follows me around the room. And then you can set it up to like zoom in and zoom out with your hands. That's sick. This is the little like control center for it. It's got like gimbal, so you can spin it all the way around, and you can put it on the side, upside down, or straight up. It's this one. This one. Tiny light, or Tiny 2 light. Here, I'll send it to you in the on Discord. Yep. Wait, where are you at? Why can't I find you? Can't find you. I can't find you. Tino, where are you? Tino, Tino, Tino. There you are. Wait, nope, you're still not there. Bro, what is going on? There you are. That's the one I use anyway. It's clean. I like it. This is extremely bullish. So now that we're up through here, I think this will be the next gap that I draw out. Oops. Here, this 15-minute. No reason type bullish PA. I know, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know why. The only way I'll be convinced to take a short at this point is if we put a bearish gap in and then we come up and can't break it, and then we get like an inverse out of that. So it's like a little bit more bearish structure. But this is the type of price action that you could probably take something like this and it would work. It's annoying. What up, Jacob? How are you? Good, enjoying some coffee, waiting for the PM stream today. Nice. There's also this 1 hour. So I think I'll leave this 1 hour up for now until we kind of get into this top half, and then I'm going to reduce it down to the 15-minute gap. Yeah. Yeah, no, everything's just ripping. It's like these gaps to the left are not even there right now, so. Yeah, we could get like a TGIF on Friday if we just keep pumping all week. Like, it's not like there's not good targets below, you know. Equal those, all these, like, it's not like there's not good targets, so. We do have a SMT at the top here right now. Oops. See how long that holds though. Probably not very long. Yeah, I mean, if you look at this, like, it's pretty overextended. I mean, we did get this little retrace right there, but it wasn't like much. So I almost feel like you can keep your discount down here at the bottom since we never actually hit it here. So I'm gonna keep my discount here at this bottom instead of moving it up to here. And I mean, you can't really put this at the top yet because we don't really have a swing point to go off of yet on this time frame anyway. But pretty overextended. I was telling Amy earlier that I think that this is just like fake. Like, this is fake bullish PA. I don't believe it. So, looks like we may rip up to break this S&T now. That's it. I'm an SMT trader now. I'm going in short. We're in max cons. Probably 8 or 9 cons. Can't decide yet. Might add one more. I do really like this swing low inside this gap here as a target too. Also this volume imbalance. For real. I don't think this SMT is gonna hold much longer, you guys. We'll see. Server settings, app directory. Wait. No. Bro, I can't figure out. I can't remember how to add the. How do I add the Carl bot? I'm gonna tell my friends to short. I am Carl bot. Knew it. Bro, my friends would not be good at trading. Any backtesting this week? I don't think so. This week is mad busy. My brother's visiting in town, and then this weekend, Amy and I are going out of town to visit my parents, and then on Monday when we get back, we're going to Vegas till the 16th. I can't freaking wait. Later, bro. Chat. I've never been. I can't wait. Give me one sec, chat. almost made a mistake there. So I will say that if we just go back and forth like this and we hold this SMT and then all of a sudden we just get like a really nasty yoink candle down. Here. All right, this is gonna break. Jackson apparently wanted to walk over here just to. Okay, camera. Hello. Can you follow me back down? Can you follow me back down to my chair, please? Yep. Chat. Why does my camera always have to beef with me? Bro, please. I don't know why you're acting like you don't see me or something. Hello, hello. Please come back down. Dude. Never mind, Tino. Do not get this camera. Still didn't break this SMT. Yeah. It's so smart that it forgot where I was. It was too busy calculating the ceiling. So now price action's been all weird again. Acting all uncorrelated. Not a fan. Oh my gosh. My NVIDIA GeForce. Okay, there goes the SMT. So, called that. But you see how now we just have another one? This is not good price action. Now we just have another SMT here, right? Like, I wouldn't be touching this right now. We have speakers right now. If we have speakers right now, that would actually explain a lot. Well, about this anyway. I don't know what the heck this is. Yeah. This bro just walks up to the door and just sniffs it all, huffs and puffs, and walks away, making me feel like there's a freaking dinosaur outside my door, bro. I'm living in Jurassic Park in my office. There's something stalking me outside. Bro, just go lay down. So this is holding price up right now. I wouldn't really be interested in taking this if it did inverse because there's still this right below. I don't know. I'm not interested in anything right now at all. Unfort. Yeah, we got this little LRR right here. But Yeah, are you talking about something like this, Jacob? Yeah, the problem is it's just look how high we pumped already. Like I feel like if you wanted to long, you missed your chance at this point. I really would not expect us just to get another like FE long setup at this point. But if we're bullish enough, you never know. So got 49 minutes until this 4-hour closes, and we'll see if this inverses. Yeah, no, I feel you. I mean, I could see it. I just don't know if we'll get it. Wednesday reversal. I don't know what to think right now. This looks so bullish, bro. If we pump and take out this high, I wouldn't be surprised if we keep going to this one throughout the week. Because, like, look at this. Delivering out of this like crazy. This gap is held so many times. And then we sweep this 4-hour low. And now we're just V-shaping up through this BPR. And the fact that we are disrespecting this BPR does not show me that we're bearish one bit. You guys see that? Like, this is a 4-hour BPR. You'd think this would be strong AF, and it's just not. We're destroying it. Like, it's not even there. So, yeah. I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised if up here ends up being our weekly objective. But, jeez. Now, there is also one thing to keep in mind, right? One Trump tweet and we end up down here. So, that's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. But for now, it's looking like all-time highs is the next target again, which is so annoying, dude. But it's fine. No, I don't. I want to. But I don't at the same time, actually. I'm like at the point where I would rather invest money into futures accounts for some reason. I'm just like gonads deep in learning NQ. I love it. Yeah, see, that's the thing is I'm not in a position to be putting anything into long term just yet. One day when I have money that I don't care about to throw around, I'll probably buy a bunch of crypto just to hold it. But just not a focus of mine currently. So now we're just all uncorrelated again, right? ES is just taking out highs and NQ is just sitting here waiting for an invitation to do something. I don't like this. Like, jeez. Ooh. Trap, my head hurts. I can't lie, dude. I feel like someone's beaming me in the head with a 2x4, bro. Oh, wait a minute. The 4-hour line I drew was on NQ1. Look at this line. Ha ha ha. That's funny. Easy peasy. iPhone. It's been 15 weeks since your last backup. Yeah, well, maybe you shouldn't charge a whole kneecap for iCloud storage, and then I wouldn't have to worry about that, would I? Acting like it's my fault. I mean, it seems pretty clear the market wants higher, but like, what am I supposed to do at this point? Hold and pray. Hold and pray that after we've pumped 215 points, that when I just now decide to get in, that it'll keep doing it. Does that sound like a good plan? I don't feel like it does. Well, now that we're up 215 points, I'm convinced we're bullish. I should probably long now. Jeez. I feel like I hit my leg on something. Wouldn't surprise me. My headset. I have a hood on and my headset. Sorry. I got a hood on because I'm not feeling the greatest. And it just makes me feel comfort. And then I got my headset on because I'm listening to the lo-fi. I got in on that leap contest long way down here. That's funny. Jeez. Oh wait, it was way down here actually. Damn. I did the leap contest, like a trading view trading contest, and so I'm just trying to like go for crazy higher. Just basically get in and hold it for as long as I can. Had no rhyme or reason besides, holy cow, we're pumping. That was my logic for getting in that. Trade the 15-minute and hold. Yeah. I am trailing the stop. I have the stop up here, but I think maybe I'll move it up to here since we just broke these highs. Hey, have fun. I'm probably gonna be off here in a minute too. I'm like about done all I can take right here. So uncorrelated, bro. Right. Later. Okay, but hold up. Damn. Well, that's invalid. Bro, are you kidding me? What the hell? What is that? Well, so much for that. I don't know. There's no way this is done pumping today, honestly, I don't think. I feel like we're just gonna keep climbing today. I think this might be high of day. Nah. Jeez, my nose is... Yesterday they had like a controlled burn in town and it was really, really smoky and I think it's messing me up. So we kind of have this inverse here that seems to be holding for now. If this doesn't break, I'm gonna expect lower for the rest of the day, Loki. I think my long is gonna get stopped out in profit. think that was close. Yeah.
Discovery Houston, press to ATO.
Liftoff of mission 41D. The first flight of the Discovery and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
3, 2, 1, 0, 0.
Discovery, go and throttle up. Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Chat? I don't know. All right, you guys. I think that's gonna be it for me today. I'm gonna go chill out for a little bit. But I appreciate everybody for being here, like usual, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.